has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 440, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon and Mercer, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Lehigh, Montgomery, Philadelphia, and Schuylkill. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 440 has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon and Mercer, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Lehigh, Montgomery, Philadelphia, and Schuylkill. The following is a severe thunderstorm watch in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and Cecil, Maryland, and the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware, and Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island, Maryland.